Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. It is old school shout out and it's old school Friday. No, it ain't Friday. It's Thursday deal of the week. First, I'm gonna do the shout outs. I got a few items here that I received and letters. I always like to show my appreciation. And Dillon got one too. I'll let him do it here in just a second here. But the first thing, I've had this, y'all, for about 2 weeks from Miss Sheila P out of Hillside, New Jersey. She sent me, y'all know I already got one, now I got two, one for backup. She sent me, remember I broke my glass bowl, y'all? Y'all remember that? She sent me one, another glass bowl here. I got a lifetime supply of glass mixing bowls that go to my KitchenAid mixer. And I really appreciate it. Plus, she sent the warranty to this thing too. She sent the warranty to the bowl. I got that too, Miss Sheila. So I really appreciate it, y'all. Y'all know I broke my bowl, and then y'all send me one out. I really appreciate it. I have two of them now. They pretty much came at the same time. I had this one sitting over there in the box, and I intended to, Miss Sheila, to give you a shout out, show you appreciate it. Yeah, she sent a little note here saying, enjoy your gift. Thanks for being an awesome person, Sheila P. So I really appreciate that out of Hillside, New Jersey. Anyway, okay, I got another letter here from Miss, let's see what here, Miss Pamela J out of Little Rock, Arkansas. She sent me a nice letter here. But she enjoyed my channel and the different things that she enjoy, and hoping and praying that I make more subscribers. So I appreciate the letter here, Miss Pam J. I did get your letter from Little Rock, Arkansas. Also, I got a card here from Miss, oh Lord, I want to say Valencia J out of LA, California. And she sent a nice little card. See the card here? It said thank you card. Give her up close, y'all, where y'all can see that. See that? Now, y'all, I can't put nothing there. Your name, I don't want to mess it up. It's Valencia. V-A-L-I-C-A. I guess I'm saying that right. And she sent a nice card, a nice little thank you card, and say, kindness to all my old school soul food family. You're genuine. Appreciate you sharing all your gifts and knowledge, experience with us. And she say she used my recipes every day. The cinnamon rolls, the biscuits, and she learned how to make hash browns for me. So anyway, I appreciate every card that y'all sent me. Now, before I go to the deal of the week here, Dillon, he received a birthday gift from a subscriber too. So I let him go through that.
How y'all doing? I received a gift from Miss Dawn G from Wisconsin, and I just want to say I appreciate it. It means a lot. She sent me a letter with $60 in it. It says, a special occasion to think about where you've been, where you're going, who you are, and how much more you have to offer the world. Welcome, Dillon, to the old school soul food family. You're doing a great job working the camera. Keep up the good work. It's your day, your life, your adventure. Do everything you love. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday month of May. From Dawn G. Thank you so much. She gave me these aprons. It says Real Man Cook. And it says Real Man Cook. This guy is one awesome dad. So I appreciate the gifts, and I hope you have a blessed day and week.
All right, y'all. Like I said, we always, especially me, I always tell y'all that every time I get something, it's so humbling and just, I don't know, just still all the stuff and cards and letters and monetary gifts I get, I still just in awe. So anyway, y'all, we're going to be right back. I got an old school soul food deal with an awesome piece of equipment that I want y'all to look at. A lot of people might not be into it like I am. I'm like a geek. I'm like a cooking geek. And those things I try to stay up on the time. But this equipment I'm about to show y'all is absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you why. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. All right, y'all, I'm not going to unbox this on camera. I'm going to come back and box it in just a second because y'all know how I am on camera. I be fumbling and bumbling around trying to get stuff out of boxes and take up all video. Y'all probably be laughing. But let me tell y'all what this is. This is an infrared grill. It's a gas grill, you use it outside. Let me tell you what's amazing about this, and I'll explain more when I get out of the box. You know how you got gas grills, regular heat, and infrared. Regular heat, when you're cooking on the grill, regular heat, it heats the air. It heats the food up, but it heats the air around it. Infrared, it heats the food directly. And it cooks in twice the time as you can do a steak, you can do pizza, you can do chicken, you can do fish, but it heats up to 570 degrees. Some of them go up higher than that. This one go by 575 degrees in the infrared heat. It's the new state-of-the-art way of cooking. It took me a while to get on board, and I had a friend had a cook-off at his house about a year ago. He had one of these. He was kicking out hamburgers and steaks like in no time. I wondered how he was doing it. This is what he was doing. And not this exact one, but it still was an infrared grill. And I'm going to come back. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to get everything out, get it put together, because I don't want to be bumbling and stumbling with this thing on camera. Once I get it put together, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. And this summer, I already told y'all, I'm going to be doing Instant Pot, air fryer, and I'm going to be grilling outside a lot in the whole month of July. So if you don't have the equipment, y'all going to be seeing where I get this, what this is, how this works. I got a flat top grill. I got a Blackstone flat top grill, restaurant style flat top grill. I'm going to be doing pancakes and eggs and bacon out on it some mornings. I got 2 gas grills. I got a regular smoke grill. I got a small smoke grill. I got an electric smoker. Yeah, I am a foodie grilly outside. I love out grilling outside, and a lot of people requesting me to do more outside videos, and I'm definitely gonna do it this summer because I love grilling steaks, fish, ribs, chicken, anything it is. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. I got this thing put together, which is very simple, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is to put together. If you get one of these things, how easy it is to put together. It's gonna come in parts like this. You got the drip pan right here. Put that up under there. And you put the other part right here. And you got the basket right here. Now what this does, y'all, like I said, my friend had one about a year ago. I thought this was the most amazing. He had a bigger one. This is a smaller version, but it just does the perfect thing. You put your steak or hamburgers in here. Let's flip it over here. Put them up in here. Put your steak or your burger or your fish in here. Clamp this down. And if you want it cooked very quick, you put it here at the end. Now this summer I'm going to show y'all, because I don't have the propane. I ain't going to be doing it outside right now. Of course, you can't do it inside. It's for outside only. You put it in here if you want something very hot. But if you want to rotate it, you put it on this one and it spins. And what's happening, the heat is coming off of this thing. And you just have to, really watch it. But it cooks so quickly. It sears the meat and cooks it very, very quickly. You can put it out here on this one. If you want it, kind of control the heat, that's how you do it. And what's amazing about this piece of equipment, it's gas grill. You can propane, which you can use the big propane. Let me take this off here where y'all can see what I got to show y'all. You can use the big propane, or you can use a little propane. It has an attachment to this. Let me show y'all this before I move it out of the way. It comes with a thermometer too, a probe. Take this off of here. I always have a thermometer already, but if you don't have one, it comes with a thermometer you stick in the meat and to make sure you got the right temperature you're looking for. It comes with all of that. Let me show you in the back here. What's so amazing about it, you open this door here, and it has this here attachment is for the big, the big propane. This is what I usually use, the big propane. But if you don't use the big propane, you can screw this off and put this attachment on here. And this is for the small, little bitty small propane. You have an attachment for this, so it's universal. You can use the big propane tank, or you can use the little small propane bottles. It has an attachment to that, where it's pretty much Let me close this up. Alrighty. There we go. It's pretty much universal. But like I say, y'all, this company reached out to me, and I jumped up on it because I love this piece of equipment. It's very easy to use, very simple. And if you want something very quick, this pretty much is the way to go. That's the new way. Everybody wants stuff fast. That's why the Instant Pot is so popular. Air fryers are so popular. And this is our backyard is one of the most popular up and coming gadgets in the backyard. It's quick and easy, and it's very flavorful. And like I say, and it's pretty much healthy too, because all the grease and stuff and the fat and stuff, it just, you know, you just rotate and it just comes right down. So anyway, y'all, I just want to show you this, and I have all the information in the description of the video, plus a 10% discount code. If you want to purchase this, I have a 10% discount code in the description of the video. Every video, y'all know, every Thursday tip of the week, on Thursday deal of the week, there's always at least 5%. But this one, they give 10% discount code for anybody who want one. So I put all the information in the description of the video. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.